In the diagram, PQR, SQT, and MQN are straight lines. Angle PQS is equal to 25 degrees and angle MQT is equal to 85 degrees. Find the value of X. This is a multiple choice question, and so we will solve the question, and then after that we will pick the correct option. We are going to find the value of X. When we look at the diagram carefully, we can see that angle NQR and angle PQM are vertically opposite to each other. From plane geometry, we know that vertically opposite angles are equal. So it means that if angle NQR is X, then angle PQM is also X. So the angle here is also X. 25 degrees, X, and 85 degrees all lie on the straight line SQT. And we know that angles on a straight line sum up to 180 degrees. This means that 25 degrees plus X plus 85 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. 25 degrees plus 85 degrees will give us 110 degrees. So X plus 110 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X will be equal to 180 degrees minus 110 degrees. And this will give us 70 degrees. So the value of X is 70 degrees. When we look through the options here, the correct option is option B.